Now, it's unfortunate that I have to even talk about this, but it's really important that you find out how to pick the right company and how not to be cheated out of your money. I'm really saddened to hear that many people in this country, thousands, have suffered from unscrupulous credit repair companies that have taken their money and not produced results. I get those calls on a daily basis, and this matter is really important to me, so that's why I'm making this video. So let's look at what to look for in a credit repair company and how to make sure that you're protected. So the first thing you need to start at is looking at the billing and guarantees of the credit repair company. So companies like Lexington Law Firm will charge you something like $79 a month or $100 a month and give you no guarantees. You're only paying them for being a client with them. You're not paying them for actual results. So you want to stay away from the monthly credit repair service program. Yes, it is enticing. Yes, it is affordable, but that is not the way credit repair is done. And most of these companies do something so generic that those dispute letters I have on my credit repair website for free for you. So you want to make sure, number one, when you do hire a company, that they are charging you just based on results. Otherwise, you should pay them $0. Second, you want to make sure that they will guarantee that the items that they remove are not going to come back on your credit report. And if they do come back, you're allowed a refund. Now, if you go ahead and sign up with a monthly billing service, the problem is that you're going to spend over a year or two $1,500 to $2,400, and the results are not guaranteed, and you're not going to be happy with what the end result is for you. Next comes the process. Now, you want to make sure that the company that you're hiring is just not a dispute processing software, just like Lexington Law Firm and CreditRepair.com are. They send out very generic letters to creditors and credit bureaus, and all those letters you can get on my website for free. Now, you want to find out also from this company is, are they willing to share the letters that they've sent out to these creditors? If they're not willing to share these letters, then number one, they may be doing something highly illegal, or number two, they may be doing something very ineffective, something that you can do yourself. And you also want to find out that would they help you file regulatory complaints? And would they be able to help with lawsuits as well? Most of these companies are not able to do so, even though they are branding themselves as quote unquote law firms. Social reviews. Unfortunately, many of these companies put up bogus websites to put on reviews. Google business reviews, unfortunately, can be tampered with as well. However, there is one review website that is very difficult to tamper results with, and that is Yelp. So you want to go ahead and check out if the company that you're dealing with has a good Yelp rating, what their prior customers are saying. Unfortunately, all other review websites do not tell you the truth. You're more likely to find positive reviews than negative reviews on websites like Google and Trustpilot and so forth. But on Yelp, it is very difficult to get off negative reviews once they are on. And you may also want to check the Better Business Bureau, although the Better Business Bureau does not collect reviews en masse like Yelp does. And then finally, we come to regulatory and state accreditation and registration. So most states require you to be registered with the Department of Justice of the Secretary of State. So for instance, in California, you have to be registered with the Attorney General's office at the Department of Justice in order to be able to do credit repair. So you want to find out if your company, the one that you're dealing with, is registered and has the proper accreditation, and they should be able to provide you this as well. In short, you want to check on the billing structure and the guarantees. You want to check up on the process and if the credit repair company is willing to share exactly what they're doing on your file and show you the letters. You want to check up on their Yelp reviews. And lastly, you want to check if they're registered in your state and check off the proper guidelines to be able to do credit repair where you live.